Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Valorant points cheaper. First, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to explore regional pricing differences. Some regions offer Valorant points at a significantly lower cost due to local economic factors. Always research which countries provide the best value and ensure your VPN service is reputable and secure to protect your payment information during the transaction process. Another excellent strategy is to seek out discounted Valorant point gift cards. Many reputable third-party retailers and online marketplaces frequently offer these cards at a reduced price, sometimes saving you 10 to 20% off the face value. Always compare prices from several sources and, most importantly, verify the seller's authenticity to avoid scams and ensure your purchase is legitimate and secure. Timing your Valorant point purchases can lead to significant savings. Keep an eye on official game announcements for seasonal sales, holiday promotions, and special in-game events. These periods often feature bonus Valorant points or discounted bundles, allowing you to get more for your money. Subscribing to official newsletters can also give you early access to information about upcoming deals. Finally, maximize your value by considering larger Valorant point packs. These often provide a better per-point rate compared to smaller purchases, effectively giving you more points for your money. Also, look out for in-game bundles that combine Valorant points with exclusive cosmetic items, offering a greater overall value. Always calculate the cost per point to ensure you are making the most economical choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.